Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to view activity history on Android phone. Here's what we'll cover. Finding your Google account settings, opening the data and privacy section, accessing your My Activity page, viewing your activity details. Let's get started. Start by opening the Settings app. Go to Google, manage your account, go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down to find My Activity. Here, you'll see a complete list of your recent activities, including app usage, searches, and other actions linked to your account. You can scroll through to view your activity history anytime, giving you an easy way to track how you use your phone. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please drop them in the comments below. And hey, this tutorial is for viewing your own activity history. Do not attempt to access someone else's account or personal data. Wireless Solutions is not responsible for any misuse of this information. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.